Welcome to our channel. This is for 10th class mathematics. Topic statistics. Find mean, median and mode. So today we discuss about statistics. It is very important and easy to score more marks in this chapter. First, statistics. Father of statistics, Sir Ronald A. Fisher, is a great mathematician. He introduced statistics and explanation part. First, we discussed in previous knowledge and 6 to 9 classes you learned about mean, median, mode. That small 1 mark questions you will get from 6 to 9 classes. 9th class some knowledge is extra is getting. Now 10th class this is full-fledged your statistics is there. Okay, here first we discuss about central tendency values, mean, median, mode. In that central tendency values, first we discuss about mean. Arithmetic mean. First, arithmetic mean is nothing but average. Average is sum of the observations by total number of observations. Here mean. First, this is mean ungrouped data. Sum of the observations by total number of the observations. Mean formula. Next, here we have proving mean. We have 3 methods. One is direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. So, 1 method we have 1 formula. So, here 3 formulas I wrote on the board. See once. First, direct method to find mean. Mean is equal to sigma means total. Fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi means frequency. Xi means mid values. Mid values, that word in lower classes we learnt about. That mid value is nothing but class mark. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is direct method to find mean formula. Next, assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Assumption. Mean is assumption. So that mean a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here fi means frequency, total frequency. A for assumed mean. A is called assumed mean. What about di? Di is nothing but xi minus a. Di is equal to xi minus a. See here, di is equal to xi minus a. Assumed mean is subtract from mid values, means class marks. Next, step deviation method. Step deviation method, this is the third method. Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Here a means assumed mean. Fi is frequency. Ui is equal to, what about ui? Ui is equal to di by h. Di already we know xi minus a. Ui is equal to di by h. Xi minus a by h. What is h? H means size of the class interval. Size or length of the class interval. So this is step deviation method to find mean. Mean we are explaining in 3 methods. Direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Each method we have 1 formula. Now let's go to through next sums. Problematic. We are explaining problematic for mean. Next, central tendency value, median. Median is denoted with M. Median formula L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here L is called lower boundary of median class. L is called lower boundary of median class. F is frequency of median class. H is size of the class interval. What is called N? N means sigma fi, sum of the frequency. Here CF means cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Okay, next. Mode, most frequently occurring value. It is middle most value. It is most frequently occurring value is called mode. Mode is denoted by Z. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L is called lower boundary of model class. F1 is frequency of model class. F0 preceding frequency of model class. F2 is succeeding frequency of model class. H for size of the class interval. Okay, so these 2 formulas Through this formulas we will do median and mode. Okay, generally median, for suppose ungrouped data they are given, how to find median? First, the observations, what they are given observations, write in ascending order or descending order. In that order, for suppose number of observations n. For example, we will explain through the examples next level. So median mode formulas is over. Through the direct method, here given data, class intervals, frequency they are given. With the direct method, we have to find mean. How to find? Class intervals, frequency they are given. We should find mid values. Mid values means xi. How to find mid values? 0 plus 10 by 2. These two average. Average of lower boundary and upper boundary. 0 plus 10 by 2. That is getting 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, 30 by 2, that is getting 15. So for all doing means it is taking more time. That's right. First, what is the size of the class interval? You can find. Here 10 minus 0, that is h. H is size of the class interval. H is equal to 10. For all the class intervals, you can check same only. 20 minus 10, 30 minus 20. The difference is getting 10, 10, 10. So h is equal to 10. 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 10, 55. 55 plus 10, 65. 65 plus 10, 75. These are mid values of these class intervals. Okay, now fi into xi. This multiplication we will do it. So 5 7s are 35. 15 4s are 60. 15 1s are 4, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 25 3s are 75. 25 1s are 25. 32, 325. 35 2s are 70. 35 1s are 35. So 42. 45 2s are 90, 900. 55 1s are 55. 55 1s are 55. So here 10. 60. So 605. Next 65 5s are, you can multiply. 15 5s are 75. 15 6s are 90, 97. Next 8 5s are 40. 8 7s are 600 will get. Now okay sir, now this total frequency is sigma fi. Here this total is, this is fi xi, sigma fi xi. This total we should add 5, 10, 15, 20, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 10, 16, 22, 31, 35, 40, 4070. That is sigma fi xi. This total add. Here 7, 13, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So once again 7, 20, 30, 40, 46, 66, 77, 87, 90 to 100. This total is 100. Okay, now mean formula. Mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is direct method formula. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, now 4070 by 100. 100 cancel. Here by 10 is there now, 40.7. This is mean in direct method. Direct method sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is multiplication getting now. So some difficult, some hard to multiply. So this is mean direct method. With the same question, how to do assumed mean method or stub deviation method, we will see in next level. Now here assumed mean method. Okay, here first two columns say mid values we have to find. After that fi d, here fi di. So di is equal to xi minus a. A we need assumed mean in mid values. Anywhere you can take as a assumed mean assumption. So maximum in that frequency highest related mid value taken as a is better. You can take anywhere also your wish. Don't worry. Now this is a all xi minus a minus a minus a minus 45 minus 45 minus 45 can do it. 55 minus 45. 65 minus 45, 75 minus 45. Here it is minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. Okay, now fi into di. Fi into di multiply. 7 4s are 14 3s are 13 2s are 12 ones are next 0. Here 11 tens are 110. 15 twos are 8 threes are. Okay. Now here my positive numbers you should add, negative numbers only add. Here it is 200, 500, 600, 650. 650. Here you should add 0. Here 10, 18, 2, 4, 8, 10, 1, 0, 8, 0. Now we need sigma fi di minus 1080 plus 650. Both subtract. 0, 8 minus 5, 3, 10 minus 6 is 4. Minus 430. Sigma fi di is minus 430. Sigma fi. The total is 100. Now find median. Here mean. So formula is a plus sigma fi di by mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This is a formula to find mean. Okay. Now mean is equal to a value is 45 plus sigma fi di is minus 430 by 100. 0 0 cancel. 45 plus into minus minus 43 by 10. Now 45 minus it is 4.3. Both subtract. 45 minus 4.3. Barring 10 minus is 7, 0. 40.7. Exact answer 40.7. In before direct method also same answer we got. This is assumed mean method also we got same answer. So any method also final answer is same for mean. It won't be changed. Once again, class intervals frequency they are given, mid values how to find 0 plus 10 by 2, 10 plus 20 by 2 like that I did. H value 10. Then H is added to preceding mid value, you get next mid values. After that di is equal to xi minus a. Okay, in that frequencies which is highest, that mid value is taken as a. Anywhere you can take as a. Here first also you can take as a. Don't worry. So now 45 minus 45 is 0 because xi minus a. Xi minus a minus a minus a means minus 45 from this is all xi. We got 0, 10, 20, 30. Down plus values, up negative values will get. Fi into di multiply negative numbers should add. Fi into di positive numbers should add. Big number minus small number, big number whatever sign, that sign only you should keep here. That is sigma fi di. Here total sigma fi. Mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi formula. So mean explanation part. Okay. Step deviation method. Here class intervals, frequencies are given. First find mid values. Mid values xi. The mid values 0 plus 10 by 2, 5. 10 plus 20 by 2, 15. Here 10 is add. H value 10. Size of the class interval. So 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. These are mid values. Now xi minus a. So the highest frequency related mid value taken as assumed mean. A for assumed mean. Exact that 45 minus 45 is 0. Here xi minus a value 45 subtract from all the mid values. 55 minus 45, 10, 20, 30. Here 35 minus 45, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40. Okay, now Fi, Ui we need. So Ui is equal to di by h. All di values divided by h. H value 10. 0 by 10, 0. Here 10 by 10, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, now Fi, Ui. 7 4s are 14 3s are 13 2s are 12 1s are 20 into 0 0 11 1s are 11 15 2s are 30 8 3s are 24. Here positive numbers, negative numbers. Now positive numbers should be add, negative numbers add. Here 20, 50, 60, 65. Here it is add 10, 18, 2, 4, 8, 10, minus 108. Now sigma Fi Ui minus 108 plus 65. 8 minus 5, 3. 10 minus 6, 4. Minus 43. Here sigma Fi. That should be add 100. Okay, now step deviation method mean formula. Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into h. Each and everything on the table. Now A value is 45 plus sigma Fi Ui minus 43. Sigma Fi is 100. H value is 10. Here 0 0 cancel. Now 45 plus into minus minus 43 by 10. Now 45 minus 43 by 10 means 4.3. Both subtract will get 40.7. This is mean by step deviation method. In those three methods, first direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation. Anyway, final answer is 40.7 only. It won't be changed. This is called mean. Mean, direct method, deviation method, step deviation method. It is called central tendency value. First central tendency value will go through median and mode. In previous, now mean how to find in three ways: direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method we discussed. That continuation, some frequency, any one frequency is missing. Here one frequency is missing, that how to find through the mean. Here mean is given 18. Then find frequency of. Class intervals are given, frequency is given. Now find mean, any one method, a direct method or assumed mean method or step deviation method. Okay, now first mid values you can find. Mid values. That is xi. 11 plus 13 by 2, 24 by 2, 12. 15 plus 13, 28 by 2. 28 by 2 means 14. Here h value, h is equal to 13 minus 11, 2. 2 is added. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Mid values. After that, di is equal to xi minus a. Okay, assumed mean. Any mid value taken as assumed mean, that is a. So that highest frequency related taken as a. 18 minus 18, 0. 20 minus 18, 4, 6. Here we will get minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. dl. Next, ui. di by h. Already h value is 2. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next column is fi ui. fi ui. This is fi frequency. Both multiply. 7 3s are 21. 6 2s are 12. 9 1s are 9. 13 into 0, 0. F into 1, F. 5 2s are 10. 4 3s are 12. Now, positive numbers add, negative numbers add. 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, minus 42. It is F plus 22 or 22 plus F. This total is denoted sigma Fi ui. That is minus 42 plus F plus 22. Both subtract, will get minus 20 plus F or F minus 20. Minus 2 plus subtract. Okay, here this is sigma F. This total we should add 44 plus F. Sum of the frequencies, sigma Fi. Okay, now formula by step deviation method. Now we are using step deviation. Mean is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. But given mean is 18 and a value is 18 plus sigma Fi ui minus 20 plus f by sigma Fi 44 plus f into h value is 2. Size of the class interval. Plus 18 take this side, 18 minus 18. Remaining minus 20 plus f by 44 plus f into 2. 18 minus 18 getting 0. Minus 20 plus f by 44 plus f. Here into 2 send this side by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. Minus 20 plus f by 44 plus f. So 0 into 44 plus f is equal to minus 20 plus f. 0 and anything is 0. Minus 20 plus f. Minus 20 send this side. Finally f value is 20. Missing frequency we got 20. This is step deviation method. Any one method you should prefer. Any one method. This is mean. Missing frequency. Any missing frequency also you should do this method only. This is the table work. Next, central tendency value, mode. How to find mode? Here class intervals are given, frequency is given. First we can check class intervals are inclusive or exclusive. How to check inclusive or exclusive? Upper limit of the class, lower limit of the successive class. Upper limit of the class and lower limit of the successive class. If they are getting equal, all the classes same like that. Upper limit of the class and lower limit of the successive class, if they are same, they are called exclusive class intervals. If they are exclusive, okay, we can do this method. If they are inclusive, we will see next sum. Okay, now find mode. Here first of all, size of the class interval 3 minus 1 2, and what is the highest frequency? That is frequency of model class, that is denoted with f1. That preceding is f0, succeeding is f2. That before and after f0, f1, f2. Now this is the order 0, 1, 2. Here f1 is frequency of model class. This is called model class. Here lower boundary is denoted with L. Here 3 is L. Lower boundary of model class. Here 3 is denoted with L. L is the lower boundary. Okay, now mode formula. Mode is denoted with Z. Is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for finding mode. So okay, L value is 3 plus F1 is 8, F0 is 7 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H value is 2. Now 3 plus 8 minus 7 value 1. 2 8s are 16 minus 9 into 2. Now 3 plus 1 by 16 minus 9 is 7 into 2. 3 plus 2 by 7. 3 plus 7 2s are 14. Remaining 6 0. 7 8s are. So approximately 3.28 approx. This is the mode, finding mode. In the table F1, F0, F2, where it is that you should fix first. After that, formula is very easy to do it. So this is exclusive class intervals finding mode. This is the given table. Find mode of the class intervals and frequency. Here once observe class intervals. Here this is upper boundary, lower boundary. Upper boundary of the class, lower boundary of the class. These two unequal. Find mode of this data. So how to find mode? Here once observe the class intervals. These class intervals are not exclusive. They are inclusive class intervals. Once observe. Here upper boundary and lower boundary of the successive class not equal. So we need to find one extra column, that is boundaries. Boundaries of class intervals. There is one extra column you will get. So how to find boundaries? That is average of upper boundary and lower boundary of successive class. 14 plus 15 by 2. 14 plus 15, 29. 14 plus 15 by 2. 29 by 2. It will get 14.5. Here 14.5, here 14.5. Till continue last class. So first one is 9.5 to 14.5. Second one is 14.5 to 19.5. Next 19.5 to 24.5. 24.5 to 29.5. 29.5 to 34.5. These are boundaries of class intervals. Anyway, now we have to represent H, L, F1, F0, F2 in the same way. Last time what we get same. Here what is the highest? That underline from here to here. Okay, here this is F1. The previous is F0. After one is F2. Next, lower boundary is L. L is the lower boundary. Boundary. So boundaries. These are not a boundaries. That's why. And H value. H is the difference of both 5. H is equal to 5. H value is 5. L, H, F1, F0, F2. Everything is there. Now apply formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L value is 19.5 plus F1 135, F0 is 110 by 2 into F1 minus F0 is 110 minus F2 is 115 into H value is 5. This is finding mode. Okay, now 19.5 plus these two subtract will get 25. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 270 and 225 into 5. Now 19.5 plus it is 25 by these two subtract will get 30, will get 10 minus 5 5, 6 minus 2 4, 45 into 5. 5 ones are 5 nines are. So 19.5 plus 25 by 9. Now 19.5 plus 9 twos are 18. Remaining is 7. Keep point 70. 9 eights are. 9 eights are here 7 or 9 twos are 18, 7 got. So 9 sevens are 63. Remaining 7. Again 7. So you should add both 19.5, 2.77, 7, 12, 12, 22.27 approximately. Because it is not exact answer. There is some decimal continuation getting. So we should write approximately. This is finding mode for inclusive class intervals, not exclusive. They are inclusive class intervals. Okay, mode is completed. Next we will discuss median. Median of the given data. So this is the last center tendency value. Mean already we did. Mode is also over. Now median. Class intervals, frequency, cumulative frequency, and it is also depend on inclusive or exclusive. If they are exclusive, convert it into inclusive and do it. Okay, inclusive means finding boundaries. Here, cumulative frequency, that is 7. 7 plus 8. 15. 15 plus 2. 17. 17 plus 2. 19. 19 plus 1. 20. This is finding cumulative frequency. Okay, here total 20. So, n is equal to 20. We should write capital N or small n, your wish. Total frequency is denoted by n. Okay, first n by 2. N by 2 means 20 by 2. That value is 10. In which cumulative frequency existed this 10? That underline. Which cumulative frequencies existed? That underline. So here existed. So that underline. Here that last frequency is 20. So total frequency n is equal to 20. Now n by 2. 20 by 2. 10. The 10 in which cumulative frequency existed, that underline. Here 15. In this cumulative frequency existed 10. So that underline. This is median class. So this is lower boundary of median class, L. It is frequency of median class. That preceding cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of preceding median class. And H, you know that 3 minus 1. H is equal to 2. Now, median formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is lower boundary of median class 3 plus n by 2. N by 2 value is 10 minus CF is 7 by F is 8 into H is 2. Now 3 plus 10 minus 7, 3 by 8 into 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 3 plus 3 by 4. 3 plus 3 by 4 means 0 point means 30. 4 sevens are 28. 4 fives are 20. So 3.75. Here no need to write approx because here direct 0.75 final 0.75 remainder getting 0. So 3.75 is the median. This is the procedure to find median of the group data. Okay. Here missing frequency x comma y. We have to find x comma y. Median is given 28.5. Then find missing frequency x comma y. Okay, anytime median means we need to find cumulative frequency. 5 plus x. 20 plus 5. 25 plus x. 15 plus 25. Here 15, 25, 40 plus x. Next 40 plus x plus y. Next 45 plus x plus y. This is total. N is equal to. This total is 45 plus x plus y. But given n is equal to 60. So both of them equal. 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Now x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 15. This is the equation number 1. And we can find n by 2. 60 by 2. That is equal to 30. 30 where it is existed? 5 plus x. 5 plus x it is won't existed. Here 25 plus x maximum it is possible. And highest frequency. So underline that. Here it is frequency of median class. This is L. H is equal to 10. Now cumulative frequency of preceding median class. So now formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. Median is given 28.5. L value is 20. Plus n by 2. N by 2 is 30 minus CF is 5 plus x. Keep it in brackets. By F value is 20 into H is 10. Now 20 is on left side. 28.5 minus 20. It is 30 minus 5 minus x by 20. Here 10 ones are 10 twos are. So by 2 will get. This is 8.5. 25 minus x by 2. 2 send here. 8.5 into 2 is 25 minus x. Both multiply 17.0. 25 minus x. X is equal to 25 minus 17. 25 minus 17 value is 8. This is the x value. Put x is equal to 8 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 here. X plus y 15 is there now. So that is 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8. Y is equal to 7. Therefore x is 8, y is 7. Missing frequency through median. It is very important topic. So in statistics, how to find mean, median, mode I explained, and missing frequency about mean and missing frequency about median is also completed. Okay. So this is important topics for 10th class statistics. Please subscribe and share this video to your students and friends. Thank you.